Hello and welcome back to another video with me, Space Tatum. So let's get right into it. Today we'll be going over arrays. So I bet you're wondering, what is an array? In C++, an array is a data structure that allows you to store multiple elements of the same type under a single name. Each element in the array is accessed by an index, which represents its position in the array. The index starts from 0 and goes up to the size of the array minus 1. So basically what we're saying is we start from 0 and we go up. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we're looking to have 5, you will see the number 5, but more likely you will see the number 4 because you start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 numbers. How to initialize an array. So in our first example, as you can see, we have an integer of my array that has 5 numbers, and as you can see, the numbers are set to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then our second one, we have int my array, which also has 5 numbers, but all the numbers are set to 0. And then our third example, we have an array to read 5 numbers, but using a for loop. And as you see, I put a little comment right there to tell you that initializes the values between 1 through 5. So come on with me. Let's go to the IDE and code a program that reads 5 students' names using array. And comment below some names so I know some more names, so if I ever use a student name or any names in the future, your name can be in there. Let's go. Yo, I see that you made it to the compiler. So let's go ahead and start coding to get our results of the 5 students' names. So starting off, we're going to use our normal stuff like we always use, which is include IOStream. And then we gotta, so since we're working with names, we gotta use include string as well. And I'm gonna have y'all sped up so y'all don't just have to watch me sitting here just clicking. So see, we have reached the end of the program. Let's go ahead and run it and see if it runs. All right, so as you see, we have enter 5 names and enter the name of student 1. So we can say Ryan. And we have Vonnie. We have Lance. Then we have April. Then we have Nevaeh. So as you see, it also gives you a little list of the names, which is student 1, who was Ryan, student 2, who was Vonnie, student 3, who was Lance, student 4, who was April, and student 5, who was Nevaeh. I really thank you for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, and I really hope that you gain some more knowledge about using arrays. And always remember to learn. Have a nice day. Space Tatum out.